That was rude of you, darling. Stepping on someone should wait till at least the third date, shouldn't it? Oh, where am I? Well, I'm currently under you, but... There, now you can see me. Hello, little human. Ah, don't be alarmed. What am I? Isn't it obvious? I am a slime. Yes, darling, a slime. What's so surprising about that? I was created by the earth to gather energy from all who stumble into my maw. No, nothing like that. I'm not a fan of hunting for prey. I like to have a more, well, contractual relationship with the ones who stumble upon me. What kind of contract? Well, slime needs sustenance to maintain themselves. Well, I suppose we could sustain on that, but maybe another time, darling. But, all fun aside, hun, slimes can have multiple forms of sustenance. Some enjoy devouring the whole, while others prefer to catch and release. Well, I do a little bit of both. It depends on how hungry I am. And, unluckily for you, or, well, maybe luckily, I'm not starving. But to keep myself full, I require something small from you, darling. You will be good and give it to me willingly, right? What is it? Well, hun, I slip some of my slime into you, and I let it drip into your mind, filling every little space, leaving nothing untouched, as I take the chemicals that make you feel weak. I drain you of all your ailments, while my slime produces a calming, happy numbing effect everywhere it spreads. Dripping, sliding, and sloshing through the empty voids. How does that sound, hun? Will you succumb to my slime? Bend to my will? Be taken over for just a little while? I promise you won't be any worse for wear after. That's it. I'll be gentle and slow. That's it. Feel my slime enter your mind. Think about nothing else but the soft, smooth, cooling comfort that fills your thoughts. Don't think about anything else. You are safe within my arms, nestled in my slime, safe from all but I. I won't harm you as you listen and do as I say. Let my slime through. Let it fill your head. Let it fill your thoughts. That's it. Relax for me, darling. Just melt into me. Feel yourself merge with my slime. Just like that, darling. Don't think about anything else but I and my slime. Good. I'm almost done. My slime has completely taken you over. Now you will be part of me, my good little slime.